Hey foodies, Chef Ka here. Today we're making a cabbage soup with caramelized onions and chicken meatballs. Cabbage and onions are a perfect marriage of flavors that help elevate this light and hearty dish. Let's start with the chicken meatballs. Add 1 pound of ground chicken to the bowl, fresh chopped spinach, chopped cilantro, half an onion, rice flour, minced garlic, 1 egg, some black pepper, salt, a little bit of lemon zest, mustard, Worcestershire, and ground coriander. And give that a stir. Just gently fold it. I got some aged parmesan from the fridge, just a last minute addition. I'm going to throw it in there. Try to be resourceful. You can add the cheese if you like. If you don't want any dairy, you can omit it. So we're just going to mix that so it's finally folded together. Look like. Now we're going to form and roll our meatballs. You're going to see about this size. So I'm just going to portion them out right now. We got 20 meatballs. I'm going to roll them out. Now we're going to get our chicken meatballs in our 425 degree oven for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to check on the chicken meatballs, see if they're ready. Now get our pan on medium heat for a few minutes until it gets nice and hot. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of olive oil. And we're going to add our yellow onion sliced. Get it nice and coated. And we're going to do a caramelized onion in 10 minutes. We're going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar to start the caramelization process. And then cover it. So it's been about 2 or 3 minutes. The onions are starting to brown. I'm just going to hit it with a little warm water. It's going to help get the fond bits off. Scrape it down. So it's been about 5 minutes. Onions have just started to caramelize. Next, add your tomato paste. We're going to mix it up, take out that pasty flavor, and let that cook out for a minute. Go in with your 1/2 cup of white wine. Now we're going to add our other vegetables and sweat them out. So some chopped garlic, chopped celery, some red bell peppers in there. Just let that sweat out. Add some salt. Get the sweat process going. Now add your cabbage. And we're going to sweat this down for about 5 minutes. I'm going to also add a little bit of vegetable stock in there. Get that process going. I'm just sweating down the cabbage. It's almost there, just another 2 minutes. And then we're going to add all the rest of the stock. And then going to let that simmer for 30 minutes. Add the rest of your vegetable broth. Right in there. We're going to add a cup of water. And let this simmer for 30 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to add our meatballs in. Add the rest of our aromatics, some chopped dill, 1 bay leaf, and some apple cider vinegar. And let this simmer for another 20 minutes. Alright, the soup is ready. I'm going to take out the bay leaf. Oh, this smells incredible. I'm going to pour myself a bowl. Get a good amount of cabbage in there. Sprinkle some parmesan. It's optional. Let's give this a shot. Oh wow, that's incredible. So flavorful. That's delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.